Open the world of entertainment with your new Airtel Xstream Smart Stick. Here's what all you'll find inside the box. Airtel Xstream Smart Stick, voice-enabled remote, power cable, adapter, 2 batteries, setup guide and user manual. Your Airtel Xstream Smart Stick is HDMI ready, which you can easily plug into any TV and start watching your favorite content. The voice-enabled remote lets you control the stick with menu, volume and play or pause buttons. You can even use your voice to search with a dedicated Google Assistant button. Just follow the steps in the quick and easy setup guide to get started. Turn any TV into a smart TV with Airtel Xstream Smart Stick. Here's a quick guide to help you set up your Airtel Xstream Smart Stick. Start by plugging in your Airtel Xstream stick into the HDMI port of your TV. Now plug in the provided power cable into your Xstream stick. Using the adapter end of the cable, power on the stick. Now your devices are plugged in and powered. Download and install Airtel Xstream app on your primary mobile number from your respective app store. This is necessary to set up your device. Connect stick and smartphone to the same Wi-Fi network you want to use and enter the password. Now sign in with your Google ID. Go to the Xstream app on your mobile and tap on the menu. Select Pair with Smart Stick. Click on the Get Pairing Code button. Now you'll see a code on your TV screen. Type the same pairing code onto your smartphone. Your device is now paired. You're all set. Now sit back and enjoy the world of Airtel Xstream on your TV.